Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply get logged in, sign into your Netflix account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and then we will simply just dive into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you got to do is simply go ahead to go to your mobile phone and go to your Netflix account right there. So simply just go and open your Netflix account, Netflix app. As you can see, in my case, I have two accounts and I've already saved the login info, which is what you guys should do as well. So you can simply go ahead, tap on any of the options and simply go ahead, get logged in right there. So if I tap on any of the account, rather just tap and I will get logged in because my password and the email both are saved right there. So if I do not, simply cancel that and you will tap on the sign in option given. And now you will simply be able to enter your email. If it's your information is not saved, enter your email address over there, enter your password, and simply tap on the sign in option given right there, and you will simply be able to get signed in. But if you are having any confusion with your password or your email or phone number that is connected with your account, so what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this I need help option right there, where you will be able to get some help with any of the information that you have a problem with, and you will simply be able to again get back to your Netflix account like that. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you guys next time.